Welcome to the Database Solution Tutorials. In this video, we'll take a quick look at how the advanced search feature works in the table summary. Let's get started. First, navigate to the table you'd like to access. In the search area, tick the Advanced Search checkbox. As you can see, a filter field is now available. This allows you to narrow down the records by selecting specific fields and setting conditions, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Just select the fields, set the conditions, put the value. Then, click Search button to see the results in table records. Below that, there's another filter setting where you can add more conditions or refine your search further. You can filter by date range to see when the record was created, select Entered By to view who created the record, or filter by record type. The Upload Batch option allows you to filter records based on the batch they were uploaded in, especially when multiple records were uploaded at once. And that's it. That's how the advanced filter works. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.